Where are you, Veronica?
We're at Golden State Coffee Roasters. I always get the name wrong. Golden State Coffee Roasters. We're here to check it out. They're open, and yeah, let's see what they have. Hello guys, this is Veronica and it's Cafecito time, and today I'm actually out of the house. I decided to come check out this place called Golden State Roasters and Coffee. So we've been wanting to come here forever, but then, you know, all the stuff going on. So we're here today. We're going to check it out. We've never been here and we wanted to really come see what it's all about. We've heard good things about this place, so let's go check it out. Stay tuned.
What did you order, Veronica?
Frozen mocha.
Take your mask off for a little bit. For like. So what did you order?
A frozen mocha.
Okay, what else?
And that's it.
Okay.
We're just going to try it out. Maybe we'll order some other coffee, but
You gotta keep your mask on,
yeah.
and you gotta keep your social distance.
Yeah.
So what's going on out here? So what do you got there?
We have our drink, our frozen mocha. It's a little hot still, so we wanted something refreshing.
Okay.
I brought my own straws.
Why'd you bring your own straw?
Just, you know, to be extra secure.
Okay. And this is, where are we at right now? Go back.
Damn, someone's burning. We are Old Town Passage, I guess this is called.
I wish I wanted to get a little bit more of you getting the drink, but...
They were being douchebags.
Really? Why?
Yeah. Because he's like, you have to, because it wouldn't take my Apple Pay.
Okay.
So I was like, okay. He's like, you have to do it like this. You have to put it in the center. You have to do it more closer. I said, okay. He's like, no, you got to do it. It has to be right on this spot. And I kept doing it and it wouldn't take it.
Okay.
And he's like, no, ma'am, you're not doing it right. I was like, you know what? It shouldn't be this freaking hard to do Apple Pay. I've never had issues anywhere else.
Oh, is that why he was fucking...
I don't know. And I took out, and I said, you know what? Forget it. And I just paid with my debit card. And I think he kind of rolled his eyes.
Oh, well. So give us your review on this. How is it?
The drink? Oh, the drink's good.
They're just dummies, sir.
The drink is good. The place is nice. It's actually pretty big. I didn't think it was going to be as big as it is. Yeah, I got a little bit of attitude from, you know, at the counter, but...
Thumbs up or thumbs down? Okay.
I'll give it a thumbs up. I'll come back and try some other things.
Okay.
Now I know just not to pay with my Apple Pay.
Okay.
Did you record that?
Yeah. Vero out. Vero out. Okay, say Vero out. Did I set it for you?
Yeah.
Okay, bye.